Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen appliance that promises to revolutionize the way you cook at home, the TOSHIBA ChefFry Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. We found this product online and have included a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the TOSHIBA ChefFry Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo? It's a versatile cooking machine that combines the functionality of an air fryer and a toaster oven into one compact unit. This powerful appliance is designed to make cooking easier, healthier, and more enjoyable, all while saving you space on your countertop. One of the standout features of the ChefFry is its 12-in-1 cooking versatility. It allows you to air fry, toast, bake, broil, make pizza, bake cookies, roast, reheat, toast bagels, warm up food, proof dough, and even dehydrate, all in a single device. With so many cooking options, this oven is perfect for anyone looking to simplify their meal preparation. Now, let's talk about the technology behind this appliance. The TOSHIBA ChefFry utilizes unique ChefFry air fry technology. This system circulates super hot air at temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring that your food comes out crispy and golden brown, mimicking the results of deep frying but with up to 90% less oil. This means you can enjoy your favorite fried foods with a healthier twist, making it a great choice for health-conscious cooks. Another key feature is the digital precision control system. You can adjust the temperature in 5-degree Fahrenheit increments and set the timer in 1-minute steps, allowing for precise cooking tailored to your recipe. The wide temperature range of 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit supports everything from proofing dough for fresh bread to high-heat air frying, giving you complete control over your culinary creations. With a spacious 26.4-quart interior, this air fryer toaster oven combo can accommodate sizable meals with ease. Whether you're preparing 6 slices of toast for breakfast, a 12-inch pizza for dinner, or even a 4-pound whole chicken for the family, this appliance has you covered. Its dimensions of 15.91 by 18.19 by 10.83 inches make it a family-size solution that fits comfortably on your countertop. Cleanup is often a concern when it comes to cooking appliances, but the TOSHIBA ChefFry makes it easy. The non-stick interior resists grease buildup, and the removable crumb tray catches food debris, ensuring a quick and hassle-free cleanup. You won't have to worry about scrubbing hard-to-reach corners or dealing with stubborn stains. So, who would benefit from the TOSHIBA ChefFry Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo? It's perfect for busy families looking to prepare healthy meals quickly, as well as individuals who enjoy experimenting in the kitchen. If you're someone who loves to host gatherings, this appliance can help you whip up a variety of delicious dishes that will impress your guests. Additionally, if you're a health-conscious cook who loves the taste of fried foods but wants to cut back on oil and calories, this air fryer is a game-changer. In practical use cases, you can easily prepare a quick breakfast of toast and eggs, whip up a delicious pizza for movie night, or even make crispy fries and chicken wings for your next gathering, all with minimal effort. The versatility and convenience of the TOSHIBA ChefFry make it an excellent addition to any kitchen. In summary, the TOSHIBA ChefFry Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-clean appliance that caters to a wide range of cooking needs. From air frying to baking, it's designed to make your cooking experience both enjoyable and efficient. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.